This guy was really growly when I met him.
Yeah.
You couldn't get close to him or put his face very close because he would growl and nip.
What's the secret to training a dog like this, a wolf like this?
Just loving them, you know. They need time to bond with you, and you need to show them that you're here for them and that you're not gonna mistreat them or abandon them. Also, it's important. These guys are guys that have been abused, abandoned, neglected, shoved from house to house, mistreated. So it's really important that you show them that you're not the next one, in treating them badly. I mean, we are a young program. We haven't been around too long, really. So we adopted these animals and a few others that come from different places.
How many wolves do you have right now?
We have 2 pure wolves, and the rest are some kind of mix somehow. It's what they call a high or mid content wolf dog. So we have in total 18 animals. At this point, so far it's a success with most of it. It's a total success. Rocky.
Now I'm covered in wolf hair. Great. Thank you. Yes, I know. Kisses.
Hey! No! Hey, no! Oh, they're fighting over the hole. Wow, there's so many holes, but it's not...
No, that's the hole. That's the hole they want to fight in.
You could have done anything. You could have been an actor, a model, or anything you wanted to be. Yet here we are sitting on the side of a mountain with these magnificent animals. And I'm really interested in how that path occurred.
Yeah. Well, that was a bit tempting earlier in life. I did model for a little while, but then the mountains call, the call of the wild was too strong. I'm so good looking, and if they are good looking as adults, as you see them now, you should see the puppies. The puppies are the most adorable to die for thing you will ever see. But then they grow up to become Rocky right here, 120, 130 pounds, almost 6 feet tall in 2 legs. So people don't know what to do with them. There's not enough education and time and training. So they end up being dumped at local shelters, or in the best case scenario, we get a call, which we don't get that often. It's mostly we get this animal through other specialized rescuers that drive around picking up these animals and then bringing them to facilities like this. I like to say also that some of them, the low content ones, they are available for adoption to the right family. For that, usually I request that people come and learn about the animals and learn how to take care of them and learn how to handle them before I actually release the animal to the family. But I'm looking to adopt a few of them because there are some higher content or close to pure wolves that need homes right now that I know of, and I don't have enough room for them.
And down these hills all day, Drew.
Oh yeah. At first it was hell, and now it's just like,
I see you springing everywhere.